What up, dudes? Got the windows tinted on the base. It's been a couple days since I washed it, but still pretty shiny. Anyways, I was going to show you guys how to program the old garage door opener. So you have these 3 buttons on the mirror. See if you can see them. It looks pretty dark, but so all you have to do is choose which one of those 3 buttons on the mirror you would like to activate your garage door, and basically you just hold down this button and that at the same time, and it'll turn from that orange color to this green color, and then it operates the garage door just like that. Thanks. See ya.